Hello guys, and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe, I absolutely appreciate it. So I want to talk about Abongwe Mseleku, and I just want to say congratulations to her. My apologies first because I'm not really sure of which pronouns he or she prefers to be addressed as, so I'll go ahead and say her, but I want to put my apologies just beforehand. So she is doing quite well, guys, on Instagram. I love her content. It shows that she really puts some effort, and you know, she thinks about what she posts before she posts, because her content is very good. I love the new series that she just introduced us to, which is something like teaching myself how to cook. It's so hilarious, guys. If you're not following her on Instagram, please go and follow her. She really does post nice content, and congratulations to her, because I just saw that she did a paid promotion with Wimpy, I think, where they were advertising you know, these things, or stuff like that, which is quite good. The brands are noticing her because of her hard work. So I just want to go ahead and say congratulations. And I'm asking myself, Pella, these kids from the Mselekus, they're already on the limelight. I'm one person who thought that they were going to take advantage of the fact that they're already well known and take up the online space, you know, and do these things, Boma vlogs, Instagram promotions, Instagram paid promotions, and you know, and all that. But it seems like some of them don't really like it, like Osne nje. 40 guys, you know I'm also like, Osne, guys, people love Osne so much, such that if she decides nje to even to vlog, you know, or to post some short videos on Instagram or something like that, she would really get a large viewing and get to work with brands. But hey, Usne, she's not interested, and unfortunately Usne is not really interested in, it seems like she's not interested in everything nje emdinga ukuthi asebenze nje Usne, ukusebenza nje akakufuni. But yo, asas, or maybe she needs a manager, a social media manager, who can help her to say, okay, post this, maybe short filmed content if you are lazy to do like long vlogs or what. Yeah, there's a lot. I feel like there's a lot that she can do online, Usne, but she's not interested. Even abo I might also say that maybe some of them, they do not like you know, like being online like that. Maybe they do not like it like that. It's just it's so unfortunate that they were born into the Mselekus, so they just have to be on the shows, but it's not in them. Maybe people like Abo, maybe they don't really like the public eye, you know. Because I'm like, oh, Abo, no, why am I saying, did I say Abo? I'm trying to say Abo's brother. What's his name? Ulwandle. Yes, Ulwandle. I'm talking about Ulwandle. There is this girlfriend of his, I don't know, ex-girlfriend, or she was claiming Ulwandle or something. This lady who came up and said that she was pregnant for Ulwandle, and then she gave birth. It's a lot. I think it's no wonder. And she, you know, so I was like, hey, Abolwandle, they're already on the limelight. Why not use that publicity for the better, to benefit themselves? But then I also do say that it's not for everyone. This online space is honestly not for everyone. So I respect their decisions, Shem. I'm just saying, but I respect their decisions. If they do not want, they don't like it like that, then so be it. Anyways, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please do let me know what you think on the comment section. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.